Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take the hairs on the sides and then we'll be making the plaits on it like this. Take the hairs in the front and then slowly take it to the back and join it one by one like this in the same manner. Now after doing it for the one side, we'll be following the same step for the other side. Now we'll be taking another section of the hairs in the side and then make the plaits on it like this. Now join the hairs in the same manner, so basically repeat these steps and it's done. Next, we'll be tying the hairs on the side and then rotate it. Now, after rotating the hairs, we'll be tying the hairs together like this and again rotate it. So, follow the same step for the other sides and then repeat the process. Now, keep tying the hairs in the same manner. Now, after that, at the end, we'll be joining the hairs and make the plaits. And it's done. Next, on the sides, we'll be tying the hairs like this. So tie it on the top and join it in the equal sections. Now tie the ponytail. Now fold the hairs by making a bun like this. Roll it and then fold the plaited hairs on the top and fix it like this. So fold it the plaits and then spread the hairs and put a rubber band on the clutch to fix it. And your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides like this and make the plaits. So take the hairs from the back and the sides and both the ways and join the hairs on the back like this. So after joining the hairs, fix it on the back properly as shown in the video. Now tie the hairs by folding it to make a bow-like shape on the top divided from the between, and then fold it like this and fix it using a hair clip or the rubber band, and it's done. Next, tie the ponytail on the sides, divide the hairs into two parts, and then we'll be making the plaits by taking the hairs from the sides. So join the hairs carefully till the end as shown in the video. Fold it in the half and fix it using a rubber band. Now take rest of the hairs, make the plaits on it and fold it, and it's done. Next, we'll be tying the hairs on the sides, join it and make the ponytail like this. Now roll the small section of the hairs, fold it as shown in the video. Now after rolling the hairs, we'll be fixing the hairs like this and tie it with the rubber band. Fix the hairs carefully. Now after that, follow the same step again, tie all the hairs together, roll it and then take small section and roll it around the hairs along with the rubber band on the top and fix it using a rubber band like this. And your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Now, after tying the hairs, make the plaits. Now, join the hairs together on the side. Now, take all the hairs, join them and make the plaits on it. Fold it upward and fix it to make a bun, and it's done. Next, we'll be tying the hairs on the sides by taking the hairs on the sides, tie it like this and then rotate it. Now, again repeat the process. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now, take all the hairs and make the plaits on it. Now, after making the plaits, fix it and it's done. Next, we'll be tying the hairs in these small sections like this on both the sides. So basically tie them into three sections. Now make the plaits by joining the rest of the two from the sides. Fix it and it's done.